You know, this is the best thing you will do in your day.
We go down. I know.
Right?
Something.
Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe the channel. Name of the channel.
You don't know? You have not subscribed me yet? Oh my god, I will not put you in. Okay.
Loser again.
I'm loser again. I hope I don't lose next time. I don't know if this will hurt, but it's a nice smiley who will explode. We just do it.
Are you nervous?
No, but not through my shirt, please.
No, here.
From the bottom, yeah.
Here we go. He's scared.
It hurts, but not as much as I thought.
I told you.
But it hurts.
But not so much.
Yeah, but
it's just
but it hurts.
Okay.
I was more afraid than I should have.
You were like this?
Yes, I hope that my head was cut there. But,
I hope not.
But yeah, because the camera
I
is
hope it
quite
was
big.
in there.
The camera is quite big, you know, you can see it because my face
God,
is
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so
Next challenge.
next one.
Try not to laugh challenge. We make faces. The good
I
thing
told
is,
you I'm an actress.
okay, the good thing is we have to see each other, so our bad faces will not be shown to you guys, okay? Okay?
Okay, you have to tell me when we start so I can focus. Sorry.
Okay. Doesn't work, huh? I think we have to make something different. What the fuck was this? You want this to be shown to the public?
But it was nothing.
No, there was something. I saw it.
No, it was nothing. No. I told you I have a reputation, please.
Oh man, I lost again. I cannot do this.
Sir.
I cannot do this.
I mean.
Oh, what a loser! Okay. Oh, we
one.
didn't pick again the.
Well, yeah, we do it
because
now.
it's nicer to pick before.
So. Ton 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 ton.
So it will be loser salt, winner sugar.
Yay!
Oh man, I will vomit again, no? With salt? With salt I will vomit.
No.
No?
No way.
Okay, she's the lucky one, get sugar, I get
So.
salt.
Cheers.
I hope I am not sick tomorrow, huh? After the onion and the salt. Cheers.
Cheers. Nice. I feel the sugar.
Okay. Done.
It's good, no? What that makes you have in your stomach right now, huh?
Okay. Please, I don't want to lose again. I don't want to lose again. Okay, now let's pick now the. It's two left. Now we pick first and then we do the challenge.
Ah, there was his bye.
Ah, there was. Okay, then pick one of those. Slap the ass with the stick. We will pick a topic,
Yeah.
and then we do the alphabet, and each of us have to say
One
a word for the topic. For example,
You okay?
the salt is still hurting here. For example, we say the topic school, so A would be alphabet, for example, no? It would be nothing. B would be book, C would be...
Ah, that's the thing.
So what topic do we pick? Something funny. We just discussed which topic we should do.
Yeah,
And I think the funniest would be sexual. Okay, then we start the alphabet with A. You start. Because I lost all the time.
A for...
Okay. A for S. The S.
Ooh.
Yeah, slap the S's anyways. It fits.
it
The
was
challenge
easy,
fits.
yeah?
Yeah. Okay, B.
B for... Bukake.
No, she did! Yes, she did! No, she did! Yes, she did, Peter! I just saw it!
How do you know that word?
I just heard it, like from some old friends I have, you know, but I don't know what it is actually. I have no idea.
B for boobs. Ah, easy, yeah? So, okay. C.
Cook.
Not cook.
Cook.
Not a cook.
No! Cook. Cook.
Cock.
Cook? Is this...
That's different. Cook is the one who
What
cooks.
did you say? Cook?
Yeah, cock. It's cock.
Cook. Cook?
Yes, cock. Yeah.
Did you say cook?
No,
I said cook.
It's not a cook.
Whatever.
I have to tell. Maaf ya teman-teman, ini
Hey,
bukan. Okay.
No, it's okay.
Aku biasanya nggak kayak gini ya, tapi coba sekali-sekali lah. Fun aja. It's just for fun. It's just for fun. C for.
Oh Lord. D for... Dentist? Can it be sexual?
Dentist, no, come on, dentist, no. Come on.
Dinosaur.
No, one more chance, don't, you have to think, if not you lose. Come on.
Doodle. For people who like scam.
She said durum.
For people
No,
who
no,
like
no, you lost, you lost. I say
What would have said?
dick.
Oh, it was so easy! It was so easy!
It's so easy.
Wow.
She lost. Slap on her ass with the stick. I'll take a stick. I brought one. Okay guys, this is the stick. I'm gonna slap it. Okay, we'll see.
It's the only time you're gonna do it in your life, so...
So I will enjoy.
Enjoy it.
I will enjoy.
Hey,
Okay guys.
please, please, please.
Why you let me do that? I was not even looking.
Ah, dude.
Was it that hard?
Poquito. Ah.
Best day of my life. Okay, one more challenge. Very easy one. Just flip a coin. So what will be the punishment?
No, please, 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 please. Lemon, 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 lemon.
What will be the punishment?
Lemon, lemon, lemon. No.
Eat the chili. I ate the onion. This is the worst thing ever. No, I would eat the chili. Eat the chili. You just eat half of it, okay? You agree, half, and if it's really bad, we stop. If you can, I don't even know if the chili is very spicy. It should be spicy because it's from Thailand. So you can even choose which one. I think this
What do
one
they
is bad.
say? The smallest one is the baddest
Yeah,
one?
and then the color red is more bad. I would say this one. Or, because
Please.
it's a lot.
But I'm not even...
Just eat half of it.
But
Just-
I didn't lose yet.
Ah, you didn't lose it?
You're so mean!
Okay, I'll take a coin.
I'm gonna start thinking that you already prepared this so I lose, so I have to eat the chili, you know?
This is the biggest coin in
I
Switzerland.
want face.
5 francs. 5 francs is 75,000 rupiah. Okay, so are you on face?
Yes.
She takes face, then I take the number. So if that we don't cheat, maybe you should take the camera. Take the camera, so people don't think we cheat.
Wait.
I flip it. I have to put, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no, wait, this was too.
Yay! Toma! 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 Yay! Yay!
It's not funny. I always do. I love.
Toma! Toma!
Yeah,
everything!
Yeah,
Everything!
for me, for the people know I'm from Indonesia. I'm used to eat this.
For me, it was the worst thing
Yeah,
ever.
but I'm used to eat
The worst
this.
thing ever.
I'm used to eat this. No problem. Okay, okay. It is a problem. It's quite a lot. See? Okay, that's a spicy one.
Does it smell?
Just one small bite for the people. Just small.
This is the first time I do it.
Yeah.
See my
Just
lip,
very,
I swear.
but very small, very small. If not, you will.
I feel it already.
Yeah?
In my tongue. I feel it. I
Oh
swear.
man, she
I
should.
swear.
She should have lost this
I
challenge.
swear.
For me, it's too easy. It's no fun. Look.
But it's so spicy. I can feel it in my
Yeah.
tongue.
But I'm from Padang, which is a region we used to eat very spicy food. I mean, not used to. We still do.
Now your whole mouth. It's
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, but maybe it's good for the onion to digest.
Your stomach. I mean, it's gonna.
yeah, my stomach. First the
You
onion,
should go
the
to
chili,
the hospital
the balloon.
tomorrow. Oh my gosh. You
Okay.
have fire now, like.
Yes, I have. So it's more fun, but it's the end of the challenge, anyways. So, guys, I hope you
I'm
liked
the winner.
it. Yeah. 3-1, 4-1. 3.
For one, we had 5 punishments, right? So for one.
Yeah, 4-1, right. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed it.
Me too.
It's a bit different than my other videos, but it's just for the fun of, and that's the point. See you again. I hope Silvia will join my vlog again one day.
I think so.
We'll see. You had fun?
Yeah.
Yes.
Because I didn't lose. No, but it was nice. I will come back.
Okay, she will come back hopefully then.
Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe the channel. Name of the channel?
You don't know? You have not subscribed me yet? Oh my god, I will not put you in.
I will do after this.
Okay, thank you for telling them to subscribe me. Also, of course, don't forget then to follow Silvia's Instagram if you like her. If not, then follow mine.
I have less followers, I mean.
Okay. In Indonesian, repeat.
Okay.
Jangan
Jangan
lupa
lupa
untuk
untuk
subscribe
Adrian
Blaster. Iya, hebat. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.
Wait, but you're really good. Seriously. No, your pronunciation is very good.
Is it?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm not joking.
Next language I'm learning.
Yes, alright. Bye-bye, guys. Sampai jumpa.
Sampai jumpa.